first way you made money is retail arbitrage on Amazon. Can you just explain about
Yes.
this a little? Like, this is one of the easiest ways to start, even with small budget. How does this work, retail arbitrage?
Yeah, and I think the way most people start with, because it's very fast, you just go to the retail stores you have around, and normally you go and look at their sales or that clearance aisle, see if that item is selling in Amazon at the same time, or if you're selling in another platform as well. You can even just list the item while you are in the store. And there were cases when I had the item still in my cart and it was selling. So I was like, okay, so maybe I should just run back and get the rest of them. It's really faster than just doing online arbitrage.
So you are buying products retail, let's say in Walmart or in some other shop where physically you can go. Let's say if you're located in the United States, then you can go to a store, check the codes of the product with a special scanner or something about the what's the
In the
price on
beginning, you
Amazon.
can just use, right, you can use the Amazon app that comes, the Seller Central app. And you can either take a picture if because some items don't really show when you scan them. Not all barcodes are entered very in the right way in Amazon. So sometimes if you feel that that's an item, I was very familiar with toys because of my kids. So in some cases, I knew that that Barbie doll is kind of something that my daughter wants. And that way I was just taking a picture of the item, or either you can just write the name of the doll or the toy. There is also like a microphone button, which you can just say like Barbie doll, yoga outfit, something, and then all the listings in Amazon can pop up. So you can check if this item is profitable, and you can see all the fees.
Yes, Ali?
It was fun to do. The first year was really fun. Like it felt a little bit like a hunt when you look for toys and for items to sell. Tiring, but really fun.
So you buy the products, you scan them, you see that there's an opportunity for profit after the Amazon fees and everything and the shipping fees, right? Because you need to buy the product, let's say again in Walmart, physically where you're located, and then go and ship it to Amazon. Do we ship it like from our home? Who comes to pick it up? Like, how does it work?
Yes, there are two ways you can. Normally, people start merchant fulfilled if they're used with eBay or other selling platforms. You can just keep the item in your home. You list it as merchant fulfilled. So in that case, you are responsible for sending this item to the customer, and the fees accordingly are calculated with a different rate. If you have many items, you can always put them all in a box and send them FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. And in that way, everything stays in your inventory in Amazon, and when they sell, Amazon is responsible to send these items directly to the customer. I tried to do both. First, actually, I started with Amazon because I didn't want to have too many items here, so I just sent everything to my FBA. And then later on, when I had items that needed to be sold fast, like when you are in a seasonal in Q4, for example, you want to get as many of those items sold and shipped fast. There is no time to send it to Amazon and wait for them to get everything checked in. So there are two ways to do it.